Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So in today's video, we'll show you how to grow beautiful chrysanthemums from cuttings. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a beginner, a step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to propagate these stunning flowers. From selecting the perfect stem to ensuring successful root growth, you'll have vibrant chrysanthemums blooming in no time. So let's get started and bring more colors to your garden. Chrysanthemums, also known as mums, are beautiful flowering plants that add a splash of colors to any garden. Growing them from cutting is a great way to propagate these lovely plants. July, August, and September, these 3 months bring such a perfect mix of monsoon rains, high humidity, and ideal temperatures that you can grow most plants from cuttings quite easily during this time. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to select a healthy parent plant. Look for a plant that is disease free and has strong healthy stems. These are few of my mother plants of different varieties. All of them are growing very well and are very healthy. Using a clean, sharp pruning shears, cut a 4 to 6 inch piece of stem just below a leaf node. Make sure to choose a non-flowering stem as it will root more easily. Next, remove the leaves from the lower half of the cutting. This will help the cutting focus its energy on growing roots instead of supporting leaves. If you wish, you can also halve the larger leaves from the remaining ones. Similarly, you can take as many cuttings as you require from your plants. Now let us talk about the potting soil to grow these cuttings. The best medium to grow chrysanthemum cuttings is river sand. You can also use potting mix or normal soil, but make sure that whatever medium you are using, it should be a well draining one. If possible, these cuttings should be grown in a container with a wide mouth and shallow depth. However, you can grow them in pots of any shape, size and type. Here I've filled river sand in an old iron pan and had also made holes in the bottom for proper drainage. These are the cuttings I have collected from my different parent plants. Before working on them, just water the sand or potting mix thoroughly. To encourage root growth, dip the cut end of the stem into a rooting hormone powder. This step is optional, but it can increase your success rate. Here, instead of rooting hormone, I am using a fresh aloe vera gel. It works exactly the same. Dip the cut end of the stem in the gel of a freshly cut aloe vera leaf. Now plant the cutting in a pot filled with the medium you are using. Insert the cutting in it and gently firm the soil around it. Now repeat the process with other cuttings of yours. Water the cutting lightly and mist it to keep the humidity high, and make sure to keep potting mix moist all the time. You may place a plastic bag or a clear plastic dome over the pot to create a mini greenhouse. Place the pot in a location with bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight as it can be too intense for the young cuttings. In a few weeks, you'll start to see new growth, indicating that your cutting has rooted. Once the roots are established, you can gradually transplant the new plants to their individual pots. That's all for now. I'll come up with the update on this in my coming videos. And there you have it. With a little patience and care, you can grow beautiful chrysanthemums from cuttings and enjoy their vibrant blooms year after year. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in my next video.